paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a drawing without lifting our hand even once. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, let's make a beautiful box. And then, let's start doing these beautiful designs. Make sure you do not pick up your hand even once. And look, the design is ready. Now, it's time for us to make the box with our sketch pen. Can we use a black sketch pen for this? That's lovely. Now, why don't we start tracing the entire drawing with our sketch pen? This is so much fun, isn't it? Now, it's time for us to color. Can you see the colors which we have kept outside? Yes, they are cool colors. Cool colors are colors which gives you a sense of coolness. For example, blue, green and purple. Why don't we take the shades of blue, green and purple and start coloring this? If you notice, we are going to do each compartment or each section with one color. This is so much fun, isn't it? At first, we will touch the outer line of the box or the shape and then start coloring inside. Why don't we try and color only in one direction? This looks great! Now, it's time for us to do the same color somewhere else as well. Let's try and make sure that we do it a little far away from each other. Now, it's time for us to take green color. Let's fill all the white gaps and make it look beautiful. We are coloring in one direction. You can use the same color multiple times, but try and make sure that it is not being colored next to each other. Now, it's time for us to take the dark green color. Now, let's start coloring this in standing line. Let's fill all the white gaps. You can repeat the same color once again. Now, let's do the blue color in the center. Don't forget to do your outline. Make sure that you keep your drawing neat and clean. Let's use a light purple color and fill all the spaces now. This looks great! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.